In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add font awesome icons to Webflow, a task we can accomplish together in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, open your preferred web browser. We need to head over to the Webflow website where you'll create or customize your projects visually and effortlessly. Once you're on the Webflow homepage, look for the Login button. If you already have an account, go ahead and click on it. Enter your credentials to access your dashboard. It's important to ensure you're entering the correct information to avoid any login delays. Upon successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Here, it's crucial to navigate through your workspace effectively. What you'll want to do next is to locate the specific project where you want to add those sleek, font awesome icons. In your list of projects, identify and click on the project you're working with today. Now that you've selected your project, let's move over to another important step, heading into the Apps section. This is where Webflow allows you to integrate various external tools and services to enhance your web design experience. Click on the Apps tab, which should be readily visible in your project dashboard. Once inside the Apps section, we need to focus on locating the icon functionality. This might seem daunting initially, but all you've got to do is use the search bar. Type in the keyword icon, and let Webflow do the rest by filtering the results for you. This search will display a range of options available, ideally listing several add-ons or tools that provide what you need. From the search results, you're going to select an app that caters specifically to utilizing font awesome icons, or similar tools that provide access to a wide array of icon sets. Look for an app that suits your project's needs, and once found, select it to proceed with the installation or embedding process as instructed within the app details. The whole process is quite intuitive, but if you encounter any hiccups or need more specific customization, many of these apps often offer additional resources or guidance to optimize your usage. Make sure to follow any prompts or additional instructions provided by the tool to ensure a successful integration. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you've effectively empowered your Webflow project by integrating font awesome icons. This enhancement not only boosts the visual appeal of your website, but can also improve user experience by utilizing the universal and recognizable symbols that Font Awesome is renowned for. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Remember to keep exploring and experimenting with different design elements in Webflow to create something truly unique. Thank you for watching and taking the time to learn with me today.